A very good evening, everyone. You are watching AMR News with Angela Pokhrel from Alliance Against Antibiotic Resistance. Before starting the news, we have initiated this news program to create awareness against the antibiotic resistance. Let's begin our today's headlines. In today's news, we discussed about the antibiotic resistance and the impact of coronavirus pandemic on antibiotic resistance. So, firstly, let us talk about the antibiotic resistance. Well, antibiotic resistance is a process where microorganisms, especially the bacteria, become resistant to antibiotic and are not affected by the antibiotic, which should kill them or stop its growth. Antibiotic is of no use in case of viral infections or flu. Due to many factors, antibiotic resistance is arising, and one of them is due to the haphazard use of antibiotic during any illness. What happens when we consume antibiotic without completing the dose? Or if in case we consume it in any infection that is not caused by the bacteria? Well, in these cases, the bacteria in our body get resistance to the antibiotic, and next time whenever we get infections like tuberculosis, dysentery, pneumonia, the medicine will become useless. So from this we can understand the seriousness of this issue. Now, this is the time when a global pandemic, that is COVID-19, is widespread, and most of us are in dilemma how to cope with it. In such a time, we hear it on social media about many ways of coping it. But however, everything in the social media is not true. It has also been seen that people are told to fight off a simple case of fever and cold by the use of antibiotics. As seen above, this can cause only the development of the antibiotic resistance. Not just in the social media, we have also witnessed the people going to the local pharmacy to buy antibiotics just to cure the case of the cold without the prescription of doctor. Now, the misuse of antibiotic is not new. However, in this present scenario, this has become an important issue. In fact, according to the paper published in New England Journal of Medicine in a study done among 1100 COVID-19 patients from 552 hospitals in China, it was found that 58% of the patients were given antibiotics. Why? Just to prevent the secondary infections. Medical experts have predicted that, like in the swine flu pandemic, we saw a huge rise in the use of antibiotic, which eventually led to the development of large number of antibiotic resistant bacteria. Similar scenario may arise in this pandemic as well, then much more than the previously seen. Now we can imagine that if we misuse the antibiotic in such a risky period, the overload of antibiotic resistance bacteria would be far much to handle, and this would eventually hit the countries like Nepal, where we still rely on relatively older generation antibiotics to treat the bacterial infections like tuberculosis, which is one of the leading cause of death in Nepal. But what is the implication of antibiotic misuse in the present scenario of pandemic? Well, according to a Chinese doctor, about half of the COVID patients who eventually died from secondary bacterial infections, not due to the virus itself. Now we can imagine if these bacteria were antibiotic resistant, then the chance of survival drastically decreases due to the lack of effective antibiotic. So we must be aware about the role of the antibiotic resistance that can increase the death rate of the corona patient by much more than we expected. With this, we have come to the end of the news. We will be joining you with other news in the coming days. Till then, stay safe, sanitize yourself. With this, I, Angela Pokhrel, signing off. Thank you.